mystery. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting Walmart summer try-on haul. I have a mix of some new arrivals as well as some really great deals. They have major rollbacks right now, so that's basically like a major summer sale happening. So a lot of the pieces are super inexpensive, and absolutely like found some really good deals both on some pieces I already own from Walmart as well as some new finds that are on sale. Some are like $10 or $12, so really great finds. Cannot wait to share. I'll have everything linked down below. They recently changed how to find the description box on YouTube, so you just tap the title of the video to expand everything there, and I'll have all sizing details and all colors and anything that I get linked out below for all of you to easily shop everything. And we are just gonna get right into the summer try-on haul. All right, so the first outfit is this cute little outfit here. So I already own these shorts, but I did pair it with something new from Walmart, and this is from their free assembly line. So darling with all the ruffle detailing. This comes in pink, which I also grabbed as well, but I paired it with these paper bag waisted shorts, which are seriously, you guys, so good. They do come in a few other color options. I love that they have the pockets, their stretchy waistband with the paper bag waisted tie right here, and they're just a nice length. I say they run very true to size. And then with this tank top, you can see the back is so cute. It has like a little X in the back. It's really flattering on, and I think just like a little darling tank. It was really inexpensive as well. And then I also styled it with these sandals, which have been in my wardrobe for quite some time. These are on major deal right now, so if you've had them on your wish list, now would be a great time to check them out. And then also, you guys, I'm really excited about this bag. So I got this in pink many try-on hauls ago, but this neutral was just calling my name, and I definitely wanted to grab it. And the quilted just gives it that designer look for less vibe. Such a good crossbody bag for not just summer, for all year round. It has like really pretty detailing on it as well. So definitely love how this whole look came together, and I'd say everything is fitting very true to size. Unless you're in between in the top, then I would consider sizing down. Okay, also wanted to share because I swapped out those paper bag waisted shorts for just something a little bit more classic, although I would say they're both classic, but just something like a staple piece. And they are denim shorts. I mean, you can't go wrong with denim shorts for summertime, and these are also on major sale right now. This is in like a lighter wash. I will link the exact wash name or like list it out below, but these do come in a few other washes. I did see white, which I'm not sure those are on sale, but just a few dollars more. And these are just such a classic wash. I love the color. They're just gonna go with all the neutrals. And then again, have that same bag and sandals. Okay, definitely all the summer vibes in this next dress. This is a linen cotton blend dress, so perfect fabric for summertime. I love the stripes. There's just something about the classic stripe that is like perfection for summertime. I think this would be so pretty for casually during the day, even just like on the weekends or a beach vacation. If you have a summer picnic or barbecue, this would be so cute to wear. Even if you want to make it a little bit more Americana vibes for like 4th of July weekend, something like that, I think this would also look so pretty with a pop of red. I think that would look stunning. So lots of great ways to style this. I went for a little bit more of a neutral everyday look with this bag from Walmart. This is a like sister bag to the ones I've been sharing with the tote bag, which you could actually kind of see. Okay, so I just brought out the other bag I was just sharing about. So this is the larger version, and I love that they made this smaller version. So if you want something a little bit more condensed, this is a really nice option. It's really beautiful, has that same bamboo style handles, definitely gives that designer look for less. This has like neutral piping around it, so they're very similar. It just depends on what sizing you want to go for. So I will link both the larger size and the more like medium size bag, and both do have a shoulder strap inside, this one as well, and this one fits quite a decent amount. I mean, with this one it would be more like a summer work bag. This one would be like your everyday handbag. If you want to carry your laptop, for sure go with the larger. But yeah, definitely so cute either way. But I just love how like easy and breezy this dress is. You can see the back is covered It's a nice length too. It's a good throw in and go piece. It's a little bit more oversized. So if you're in between, I would definitely size down. And then I styled it with the same sandals, but definitely such a cute everyday summer look. So easy throw in and go. And you could even throw this on as like a little cover up over your swimwear and like head out to lunch after the pool or the beach. Okay, Walmart does these amazing t-shirt dresses, which are perfect for every day, especially in summer. Just a great like running errands tee or just casual. This one is in gray. It does come in a few other colors, and this is on like part of their rollbacks. So definitely such a great find. The material's really soft and comfortable. I would say it runs true to size. I have the extra small on. You can see the length is really, really good. So I'm 5'7". If you're a little bit more petite, it may hit you like more like at your knee or below your knee, just depending on your height. But I think it's a nice length overall, especially too if you're taller, it won't be super short on you. I have it paired with these braided slides. I got these in the lilac color now, and I'm just loving the lilac. It just looks so pretty. And ignore, I don't know if you could tell, I have like mosquito bites on my legs from my Florida trip. I guess it was like when I was sitting outside at dinner, I just got really bad mosquito bites, and they've been so horrible. So definitely I need them to go because definitely not fun. But anyways, yeah, definitely super cute slides. And then this bag again has just been going with a lot. So definitely such a cute casual summer look. Okay, I know I shared this next dress in a previous Walmart shine haul, but this dress is just too good not to share again, just in case you missed it. And I just figured I would style it another way. So this dress just reminds me of something you would totally see in like a boutique or something like that for way, way more. But this was like, I think around the $20, something around there, that mark and price point. So pretty. I just love the silhouette. This did come in a few other color options. Not sure about quantity on the other sizing or colors, I should say, but this one is in decent stock as of when I'm filming it. And I love like the whole button detail. It adds a little bit of interest to the dress. I love the puff sleeves. I'd say if it's like a dream, it is true to size, and it's like a midi length on me. I just have all neutrals. Like I just did a monochromatic look, and I think there's just something about this that looks so beyond chic and gorgeous. So pretty to dress up or down, out to dinner, or during even the daytime. I mean, so many ways to style it and wear it this summer. And then a little look at the back. It does have that smocked detailing, so adds amazing stretch and comfort. And I would say very true to size, and I have it styled with that bag as well as the neutral slides. Another great wardrobe staple are these more like utility shorts. These come in quite a few other color options. These are just another good staple if you don't want to wear denim but you want shorts on. I think this would be a nice option to change up like the fabric, and these fit very comfortably. They have like an elastic band right here, so super stretchy. They have like the back pockets, side pockets, and even like a little pocket here up front. They add a nice little edge to like more of like the feminine tops. If you have like something with ruffles on, it kind of balances out the look. I'd say very true to size. And then I have it styled with this pink tank, which is the sister top to the white one I shared earlier. This is just in the pink color. It is so fun and it's such a nice bright color for summer. It's not like super bright though, but definitely so pretty with the ruffles. And then again, same look at the back. It has kind of hard to show, but a crisscross elastic detail. Okay guys, this next dress is so good. I love the little ruffly detail here. It has a square neckline. I will say this brand is running on the roomier side, so if you're definitely in between, consider sizing down, but definitely so flowy and lightweight fabric, but not see-through. So definitely the best of both worlds. You can see this has like an open back detail with a bow. It is so darling. So definitely I would wear either sticky covers or a strapless bra. If you could tie it around the strapless bra in the back, you could actually get it so that you won't see it, but definitely a really pretty print. and such a good price point on this one. I have it styled. This is not Walmart, but I will still link it. Such a good crochet bag. And then these slides, okay, we have to talk about these. I recently shared them on a collage, which I will have here, but they are $25 from Walmart. You guys, so comfortable. They kind of give that designer vibe. We're seeing a lot of squared off toe lines in the front of sandals, and these give that luxe look for less. These come in also pink, which I did grab, and then a blue, like a pastel blue. I'm not sure if there's one other color than that, but lots of great colors to choose from. If you're in doubt, go with the white, because they'll just go with a lot of, if you have different colors in your wardrobe or even neutrals, you just cannot go wrong with the white. And then I just have on, this is a Miranda Fry necklace, and then I have my straw hat, which is another go-to of mine, but definitely such a fun look for summer. Wear this casually during the day, wear on vacation. I mean, lots of places you could get lots of use out of this dress. Okay, you guys, here is another summer outfit idea. So this one is so cute. So this dress from Walmart is so good. I love so many of the details on this. So first of all, you could wear it on your shoulders, or you could have like a little off the shoulder moment too. So love how it can be convertible either way. It has a smocked bodice, really stretchy and comfortable. And then a little look at the back, pretty much the same as it is in the front, and then it just has like this little bit of a side slit here, which gives you a little bit more room in the bottom of the skirt, which is nice. And then it's just pretty much a midi silhouette, and I'd say it fits very true to size. I believe this came in a few other color options, but this one is so pretty, like the blue stripe, so classic for summer. I just decided to go with all pops of white, so I did my lace up wedges that I have, and then a neutral bag, and then a pearl headband. But definitely so cute and darling, and this is such a good summer dress. I mean, it's so cute. You could take it from day to even like out to dinner or something and pull the shoulders down a little bit and have like a little off the shoulder moment. I think both ways are really pretty. So what way do you guys like it better, on the shoulder or off the shoulder? I think this is great like for daytime, but if you want to take it tonight, I think I prefer off the shoulder. Okay, you may recognize this dress, that the silhouette was in a different color in a previous try on haul. I loved it so much. I grabbed it in this beautiful shade of pink. It's kind of like a purpley pink, and I'm loving the faux wrap style. It has a bow detail here that you could tie yourself, so it's self tie, and it's removable if you wanted to just get rid of it altogether and just keep it a little bit more simpler that time you wear it. But lots of great ways you could wear it. You could style it casually like I have here. This is like a Sunday best kind of look, but you could also wear this to the office if your dress code allows, with even like a cute jacket on or blazer, and then style with some ballet flats or heels, and then like your tote bag. I think that would be also a really darling look. Just like the other dress you saw earlier, it does have a side slit just on my left side here, but the other side does not have the slit. It's nothing too high though, so again, very workwear appropriate if your dress code would allow. And then I just have it with my white pearl slides, which are from Walmart. I love the pop of white with this like cool tone pink. And then I also have this newer bag in my handbag collection. This smaller one is really cute with this look, but definitely overall I'd say true to size. And then the back is fully covered. It actually goes all the way to the bottom of my neck, so it is an invisible zipper back there, so super easy, but definitely such a well-made dress. The quality feels really, really nice. This actually looks like something you would see in like Madewell or J. Crew. This next dress is so fun for summer. I love like the florals. It's just so cheery and really pretty. This features such a pretty bow back moment. I have to share the back really quick. Okay, we have to take a moment for this bow back detail. Really, really pretty, and you can cover your strapless bra actually pretty well. I will say if you're smaller chested, I would size down, because you could see on me I do have a little extra room here, so definitely consider sizing down if you have a smaller chest. Otherwise, I would say true to size, and then it's a midi length, not too low like a midi though on me, so if you're more petite, it still won't be super long on you. And then I have it styled with the quilted bag I shared earlier, and then my straw hat, and then my studded slides. These are not Walmart, but they are Nordstrom Rack Find. These are on major sale right now for under $40. So they're even more discounted than they originally were. So if you've had your eye on these, definitely check them out now because they are on a special deal and they're really comfortable. And I love the sparkle that the studs give to a lot of different outfits, and they literally just go with so much. So definitely love this dress. So I would say, again, true to size or a size down for a smaller chest. Okay, up next we have this 2-piece set. I thought this was so fun. Each piece though is sold separately. So say you just wanted the skirt, you could wear this even just like with a white tank top or a t-shirt, or you could do the top with some denim shorts. So it's nice to even have both pieces, but you could wear them either together like I have here or mixed and matched all in your summer wardrobe. So lots of great versatility with these pieces, and they're like a lightweight material. This does come in another color. I believe it's like a coral color, but the blue is really pretty for summertime, and these were both I think like under $20, so really great price point. They have like a double layer of like ruffling, and then I have the white sandals which I shared earlier, and then my straw hat on with this outfit. But definitely such a pretty, this is especially if you're like a vacation, I think this would be really pretty to wear. It's like a lightweight gauzy fabric, very soft, very comfortable. I would say that again the top is running a little large, like under my arms here. So if you're in between, and especially if you're smaller chested, I would size down. The skirt I would say is very true to size. It has the smocking right here at the waist, so really comfortable, very stretchy, but I would go true to size on the skirt. All right, so that is it for my Walmart summer try-on haul. If you guys enjoyed this and found it helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know that you liked it and to show support of this video. And as always, I'll have everything linked out down below in that description box. You could also sign up for my newsletter. It's an exclusive Pink and Girly Finds. If you want to be on my email list, I will leave a link to that below so you could sign up. And that is going to be it for today's video. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next one very soon. Bye.